Farms ship out their eggs in trays called filler flats. These flats begin as recycled paper. Old phone books, newspapers, magazines, cardboard, pretty well any product made of paper fibers. The factory even recycles its own flats that have been rejected by quality control. The raw materials go into what's called the pulper, a giant blender that mashes everything up and blends it with hot water that's 43 to 65 degrees Celsius. The hot water swells the fibers, causing them to break apart. After 20 minutes, they become pulp, a watery mixture roughly the consistency of hot oatmeal. The pulp exits out the bottom of the pulper through a filter that screens out plastics and other contaminants. Shaping the flats is a fully automated process. Formation molds descend into a vat filled with pulp. A vacuum sucks the mushy mixture onto them. Water jets rinse off the excess. Rotating above are transfer molds. They grab the flats off the formation molds and move them onto a conveyor. Before the transfer molds grab the flats, though, a brush applies a water-based lubricant. This ensures the flats won't stick to the molds. It's just like greasing a baking pan. The molds themselves are made of bronze, plastic, or aluminum, depending on how long the factory intends to use them. They're covered with a stainless steel mesh. This mesh ensures an even vacuum through the mold so that the pulp spreads over it evenly. The soggy flats now go into an oven for 12 minutes to dry out. The 205 degrees Celsius heat evaporates the water. This bonds the fibers together, forming a rigid material. After they exit the oven, a device appropriately called an upender flips them up so that they stack into each other. A built-in counting mechanism triggers the machine to section off the required number of flats per package, then compress them and seal them in plastic film to keep the dust out.